Hello guys, today I will solve the question 967 number with same consecutive differences. Basically the question statement is return all non-negative integers of length n such that the absolute difference between every two consecutive digit is k, right? Note that every number in answer must not have leading zero. Leading zero means it should not be like that, like this. Let me show you. It should not be like 0 1 2 like this. It should not start from 0. For example, 0 1 has one leading 0, that is 0. You may return the answer in any order. Now let's see an example. That is n is equal to 3, so the number of digits should be 3, like this, and the difference between every two consecutive digit is 7, right? So here see, 1 at 1, the difference between these two numbers is 7, difference between these two numbers is 7, and the total number of digits is 3. We need to return all the numbers like this, 3 digit number, all the 3 digit number, but we cannot return the answer like this, like 070. The difference between these two numbers is 7, and also these two numbers absolute difference is 7, but it is leading 0, right? So we cannot return. So let's see how we can solve this question. So let me explain with the answer directly. So it is the answer. Let me first explain you the first part. That is, it is our answer which we will return, right? We need to return an array, you can say vector of integers. So we will return this, and the return part is, now we have a function, that is, and we will call this function when we will be required. But let me show you the first function, which is num same consecutive difference, right? And we need to return answer, right? So first let me show you, let me explain you one thing. What first digit will always be 1 to 9, right, of that number, like whether it is 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. First digit always will be either 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9, because it can't be 0, right? So we can check by putting first digit as a 1, then second, then third. Like we can do, first we will put first, and we will check whether 1 plus 7 is the second digit or not. Like we will put 1 and we will check the difference, it is 0, so we will not put this. Now we will put 2 3 4, and again when we will put 8, we will check the difference. Yes, it is 7. So now we will call the function again, and we will check whether which value we can put here. But the second function can be 0, right? We can have a value like this, 707, right? So first digit will be 1 to 9, and the second value will be 0 to 9, right? Third value also will be 0 to 9. So first we can call a for loop, and we can put 1 2 3 9 4 5, and after that we can call a function, that is solve function, right? This function here, we will put 0 to 9. We will check from the 0 to 9. First we will put 0, then 1 2, and like that, and we will check the absolute. It is the function which will return the absolute difference. Last digit, we will return the last digit, right? We will here, it will be last digit will be I only, because the first digit will be the last digit only. If it is 2, then last digit will be 2, so it will be 2, and our answer will also be 2. That is the value till that, at that time the answer will be 2. And after that we will check whether the last digit minus that value, whether it is, let's assume that is 9. So we will check whether it is equal to k, that is 7. If it is, we can call the next function for the next digit, and we will decrease the number of digit. When the number of digit will be 0, we will return the answer, and we are updating the answer. What we are doing, like first time when we will it will be 2, like from here. Second time 1, so we can do one thing, 2 into 10 plus 1, right? So 21 will be the digit. So like that we are updating the answer and we are returning. Let's see how our code is running. Let me submit the code. It is exactly the same code, so it's running fine. Thank you for listening.